In this video, I will show you how to copy only non-blank cells in Excel like this. So let's get started. Many times we want to copy only non-blank cells and then paste them to another location. Here I have this Excel sheet containing some blank cells. What I want to do is to copy only non-blank cells from here and paste them to another location. To do that, let's select the range of cells first. Now press the Ctrl and G keys on the keyboard to bring up the Go To window. Now click the Special button. Select the Constants option here and click the OK button to close the window. As you can see, now only non-blank cells are selected. Now we can copy these cells and paste them to another location. Please note that this method does not select the cells containing formulas. As you can see, I have a formula in this cell. But when I use the Go To window to select the constants, the cell containing formula will not be selected. Another method is to use the filter to copy only non-blank cells. To do that, click the Data menu and then select the Filter option. Now click the Filter drop-down button and then uncheck the Blanks option. Click the OK button to close the drop-down. Since all the blank cells are filtered out, we can copy and paste the non-blank cells to another location. As you can see, cells containing formulas are also copied now. By default, the cells containing formulas will be pasted as values. If you want to copy and paste the formulas instead, select the Formulas option from the Paste menu while pasting the cells like this. Watch this video to learn how to remove blank or empty cells in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.